Here's a short video of how to save a file or of any type of file like a video, picture, or document from an email you just received. So I'm going to open, starting right now, I'm going to open this file that I sent myself. It has a picture, and as you can see the subject is cattle, so it probably has a cattle picture in it. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. Alright, there's the picture. As you can see, there's two symbols down here on this picture. Now you can save it to a drive, which means you'd pick, if I click on this, you'd say save it to my drive, whichever drive you have set up, which I have it on Google Drive. Up here you can see Google Drive. But the easiest way is to download it. So you click this is the download symbol. Click the download symbol. When you click that download symbol, a folder will come up. And I've been saving this to a folder in downloads, which you can see there's already some pictures in here. I can save it. I've already have this picture. But let's say you have a folder, you want to save it to a different location. On your left pane here, this is a tree. It has all your folders and files. You could save it to the desktop, which I do have a folder where I want to save it on the desktop, but you can also save it to other drives. I have several drives on this computer. If you're using a laptop, of course, you only probably have one drive or an external drive. But save it to a desktop, and I have a folder on there called Cattle Pictures. I can open that up, and then I can save it directly to it by just clicking Save. And there I've uploaded that picture, and I've saved it. So I make sure by reopening that file to make sure it's there, and then you can delete this email or just keep it. Either way, this way you make sure you have it. Now, if you had a folder, a document, you do the exact same thing. It would be on here like a PDF file. It would have a PDF file here. It would have the same symbols. So you do exactly the same thing. Now you can view, by just clicking on this, you can view it on a PDF sometimes on this, hitting this button, it'll view it. After you get done, I'll do a PDF here in a minute. Okay, it's simple files will be on here. Now, if the picture is embedded in, let's say a picture is embedded in the email and you want to copy that. Let me find one that has one in it. I want to pause it now, then I'll get an email with the picture in it. Okay, I'm back. We got a email I just sent myself that has a picture that's embedded in the email. As you can see, this is a screenshot from a speed test from the internet, and it's a picture in here. Say you want to copy this, same thing will show up here if it's embedded. So you can do exactly the same thing. Or you can do this. You can right click on an embedded picture, and you can actually save the image from here. And that's right click your mouse button on it, and you'll get this menu pop up. You can save the image as, or you can copy the image. If you copy the image, you can then paste it into any other file or folder or into another email if you wanted to. But to save it into a file, with, like if you had to put it in with another picture or with a document, you just click here, save it, and then you go find your file. Let's say it's a document, so I open up the documents folder. Let's say I've got some files in here, folders in here that say it was an eBay sales document. I'd open that up, and then I'd save it in there. And now I've saved it into my folder where I want it. So that's how you save an embedded picture or in your email. You can save it this way, just like you did before. When you click download, a folder will come up and see it's already there because I saved it the other way. And you can save it this way. So either way works. If you don't have these symbols, then you can do it the other way. Okay, That should be all you need to know on how to upload a picture or file that came in an email. Now, just a little heads up on forwarding something. Say you get this email and you need to forward it to somebody else. Over here on the right, you'll see this little upside down triangle. When you see that symbol, it usually means it's a menu. So you click on that, and in this menu here, there's the forward button. I would click forward, and then you would enter the address, left click, and type in your address. I'm going to send it to me. And I just click on my name and send. And I sent that. And let's go back and look and see if I got it. Yep. There's the forwarded message. And there's, it shows it's been forwarded to me. See, from me, to me again. So technically I sent myself three times. So there's the forwarded email. Alright, that should be all on this video. Hope this helps.